Welcome to the board. Support us by liking this video and subscribing. This is a book move. The opening is called Zukertort Opening.
This is a book move. The opening is called Zukertort Opening.
This is a book move. The opening is called Zukertort Opening, Nimzo-Larsen Variation.
Pawn to b5 is good. Pawn to c5 is best.
Pawn to e4 is excellent. This offers a trade. Pawn to e3 is best.
Knight captures on e4 is best.
Bishop captures on b5.
Pawn to e6 is the best move.
Bishop to e2 is best.
Pawn to d6 is excellent. Pawn to g6 is best.
Kingside castle is the best move.
Knight to f6.
Pawn to d4 is excellent. Pawn to c4 is best.
Pawn to g6 is excellent. Pawn to e6 is best.
Bishop to b2 is good. This defends a rook on a1. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal. Pawn to c4 is best.
Bishop to g7 is the best move.
Pawn to c4.
Kingside castle is best.
Knight to c3 is best. This develops a knight.
Queen to c7 is the best move.
Rook to e1 is the best move.
Bishop to g4.
Pawn to d5 is the best move.
Bishop captures on f3 is the best move.
Bishop captures on f3.
Pawn to d5 is the best move.
Pawn to b4 is best.
Pawn to a6 is the best move.
Pawn to b5 is good. This offers a trade. Pawn to c5 is best.
Queen to b6 is an accuracy. The opponent can play qb3. Pawn to a6 is best. This offers a trade.
Queen to b3 is the best move.
Pawn captures on d5 is excellent. This is a trade. Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Rook captures on e8 check is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on e8 is the best move.
Queen to e2 is good. This defends a bishop on b12. This attacks the knight. Knight captures on d5 is brilliant. This attacks the queen. This move gains a tempo. This sacrifices the knight.
Knight to f6 is excellent. Queen to d8 is best. This defends a knight on e8.
Pawn captures on c6 is an accuracy. This move leaves pawn hanging on d4. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can play nxe6. Rook to c1 is best. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Knight captures on c6.
Knight captures on d5 is best. This attacks the queen.
Knight captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop captures on d5 is best. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Knight captures on d4 is best. This attacks the queen. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop captures on d4 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop captures on d4.
Rook to d1.
Rook to d8 is the best move.
Queen to f3 is best. This defends a bishop on d5. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. The game is over. It ended in a draw.